From spaceflight experience to mind-blowing car concepts, here are some of the most incredible futuristic concepts that will amaze you. Audi VISTA. The Audi VISTA, a student-designed car concept, is a foldable car with no roof that can transform into a Segway for better maneuverability and standing while riding. The author described the idea in 3 words: fun, freedom, and style. The car is powered by electricity and adapts to the owner's lifestyle, making it suitable for both city and out-of-town rides. Audi VISTA's dual riding options named Segway and Roadster mode offer a refreshing cruising whether on city or country trips. Virtual Space Tourism Flight. Worldview offers a spaceflight experience for $50,000. The flight takes place in a capsule lifted by a helium balloon from various beautiful locations like the Grand Canyon and the Great Barrier Reef. The capsule accommodates 8 tourists and 2 crew members and reaches an ascent altitude of approximately 100,000 feet. Although the trip is more like a stratospheric adventure than a spaceflight, it's less expensive and the first launch pads are expected to open in 2024. EcoDome. This concept from Germany aims to test the self-sufficiency of a glass dome and a wind turbine. The team plans to build a test version to collect data and possibly turn it into a commercial project. The concept has various applications like creating greenhouses and upgrading swimming pools. DELFT Hyperloop 6. The Hyperloop is a transportation system of pods that travel faster than high-speed trains, covering 746 miles in an hour. A group of Dutch students created the DELFT Hyperloop 6 project, inspired by Elon Musk's Hyperloop. The project aims to create a climate-neutral and scalable transportation system that can reach speeds of over 621 miles per hour. The system is powered by solar energy and has partners like Siemens, Shell, and HP. INFINITI's SYNAPTIQ. A design studio from the United States has created a concept car of the future called INFINITI's SYNAPTIQ. The unique feature of this car is a technology that allows the driver to connect with the car using a special connector which reads the driver's preferences and provides customized driving options. The driver can even control the car using tactile sensations. The driver's capsule can also be integrated into other vehicles such as a buggy or even an airplane. UNEOLE. A team of French experts developed an energy system that combines wind and solar power. The system is nearly silent and generates up to 140 kilowatt-hours of energy per 11 square feet per year under ideal conditions. For instance, installing these systems all over the Ruby commune could cover approximately 39% of its energy consumption. The team also developed advanced software to determine the most profitable locations for installing these systems. PANGEOS TERAYACHT. Lazzarini Design has created a massive floating construction surpassing the size of the Colosseum. This colossal floating continent can accommodate up to 60,000 people and offers various amenities such as hotels, parks, shopping malls, and airports. Its design is inspired by a turtle with a length of 1,804 feet and a width of 2,001 feet. The turtle is powered by 916,800 HP HTS electric motors, utilizing fins to harness the energy of the waves, and can travel at a cruising speed of around 5.8 knots. The project is open for investments, but the construction requires approximately $8 billion and is expected to take 8 years. VIERIA. The VIERIA concept was showcased at the Michelin Design Challenge in 2011. The concept aims to show that electric cars still have the potential to grow and evolve. It's not just a car, but also a purification station. The car takes in dirty air, filters it, and exhales clean air. According to UN statistics from 2021, more than 90% of the world's population breathe air that exceeds the pollution limit. Hence, the concept is relevant even though it was created over 10 years ago. The design is inspired by insects, and the car is approximately 13 feet long and 5 feet wide. The car's legs adjust depending on the driving mode. Do you think this concept will become a reality one day? ARJ21 Medical Jet Interior Design. The Comac ARJ21 is China's first jet airliner designed specifically for regional flights carrying 75 to 100 passengers. The ARJ21 used by Air China has a range of up to 2,050 miles and a capacity of up to 105 passengers, and it won the International Red Dot Design Award. It can also be modified for medical purposes using modular equipment, and patient data is displayed through the built-in operating system. The lighting and colors are carefully chosen to keep patients calm and confident in the rescue team's professionalism. Hassel and EOC presents Mars Habitat. The Mars Habitat project offers a solution to where people could live if there was life on Mars. It was created as part of a NASA competition utilizing 3D printing technology to create a Martian home. The concept involves sending robots to the Red Planet to use Martian regolith to make an external shell, and humans would then arrive and use flexible inflatable shells to create living and working spaces. This idea made it into the top 10 of the competition, and talk of colonizing Mars has been ongoing for a long time, with Elon Musk aiming to be there by 2029. I.F.O, the Identified Flying Object. The Identified Flying Object is an electric vehicle for vertical takeoff and landing created by Lazzarini Design, a company that creates aerospace projects. The passenger pod has a diameter of 6.6 feet, and the vehicle can fly for about an hour at a top speed of approximately 120 miles per hour. In case of an emergency, the pod separates from the hull and glides down on parachutes. The studio was reportedly looking for investors interested in the prototype.